Hi. In this video, I will show you how to log in Snapchat without verification code. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your browser and search for the sport.snapchat.com. After that, click on the I can't access my account and scroll up. Now you have to click on the I can't. I don't have my login verification code. And you have to read these instructions in which the right vacation code is sent via SMS. You need a strong signal on your phone to receive text, and if you are using an iPhone, you won't be able to receive a verification code via iMessage, or while connected to the Wi-Fi only or in other way. You can restart your phone. Lastly, you can double-check that you don't have any apps or setting enabled on your phone that might block incoming text message. If the issue continues, you may want to contact your mobile service provider, or you can simply visit the recovery code page to recover your account. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.